This is Jeremy Glover, your favorite financial advisor, bringing you a tutorial on another awesome broker, right? Hankotrade. So for starters, to do a free account with Hankotrades, click the link in the description below and get started. Just like I say, it's free to start that account. Once you deposit money, make sure you click the link below or go to TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org. Go to TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org to get our actual step-by-step process on how to actually trade successfully into the Forex market. But until then, this is the tutorial on how to actually, deposit money in Hankotrades and actually how to, create an account in Hankotrades. All right. So once you actually click the link below and, start your free account, you want to go and you want to secure your account. So when you secure your account, you actually want to enable the 2FA. The 2FA is an extra security on your account where they send you a code when you log in. They send you a code when you do withdrawals, and they send you a code when you want to do any transactions on the account, which is super duper awesome. So this is the dashboard once you actually sign up. Then you want to add live account. If you want to add a live account, you go to add live account. If you want to create a demo account, you create a demo account. I'm going to show you how to actually create a demo account within a matter of minutes, right? So once you create that demo account, hit add demo account. Then you want to choose whether you want to use MT4 or MT5. I really like MT5, just from the way that it actually can place trades right then and there. It's actually quick on the mark when you actually are entering trades. So I like to do that. So then you want to do that demo account MT4, MT5, ECN. Then you want to do what denomination you want to use, which is the USD. Then you want to do what leverage. I usually do 500 for leverage. And here you want to put in around about the amount that you actually want to start your first account with, your actual live account with, but you can put any deposit you want inside that blank, and then it's creating your account, right? And as it creates your account, it gives you a login ID, which is your trade ID, which is your account number pretty much. And this right here is your password. So this password right here is what you're going to actually put into MT4, MT5. So MT5, you want to download MT5 on your smartphone or laptop. You want to actually go, once you actually get into MT5, you want to search for broker. Once you search for your broker, you're going to look for Hankotrade demo. And then once you look for Hankotrade demo, this is going to be the login that you're going to use. Your login ID is here and your password is here. Once you actually connect those, then you're going to be able to trade live with us in our group. So if you want to, get more information on how to actually get free signals from our group, contact me. Comment below signals. Comment below signals, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And thank you for your time. Have a great day.